it's Gina with WTI. Are you tired of those boring cat scratching posts? Why settle for something plain when you could have this absolutely adorable one from Kakari? This is a Sissel cat scratching post, and it has so many fun things for the cats to play with. It will definitely keep their attention and help them get out some of that energy that they have that they could be ripping apart your house. We found that the cats especially love the lower portion of the post that has these balls that rotate around in circles. That really kept them occupied. Not only that, but it has a rattling pom-pom on the side that of course will sway back and forth as the cat bats at it. And the top of the carrot with these adorable little leaves, they can also play with those. Aesthetically, you can't get any more cute than this. And the leaves are adjustable at the top so you can kind of play with it and make it look the way that you want. This was so easy to put together and your cats are sure to love it, and that's my point of view.